Good morning, students. Today we discuss how to write report writing. That is writing topic, and you have to you are going to write first time report writing. So, students, listen carefully how to write report writing. First, a report is a factual description of an event or incident. It is always written in the third person. Always written in the third person, and it never written in the first person. You have to write in the third person and journey in the past time, not in the present time or not in the future time. You have to write report in the past time. Report means that was already done, so you have to write in the past form, not in the present and future form. Okay, students. Now we move to the main points of this, how to write report writing. First, already told you, it is always written in the third person and never written in the first person. It is generally express an objective viewpoint of an event or incident. It will express the objective of a point of an event or incident. That is the first point you have to remember. The report is always written in the third person, never in the first person. The format includes a heading. In this, you have to write first heading or title and the name of the reporter or writer. Then we can say you are the writer. Then you have to mention your name. If you have given the name of the writer, then you have to write the name of that writer. So first you have to write a heading, means title, then name of the reporter or writer, date and place. These things should be mentioned in the report. That is a title, then writer name, the reporter name, then date, or last is time and place. Division of marks. Weightage is 10 marks. Okay, format 1 marks, content 4 marks, expression 5 marks. So student, you have, that is the marking theme of the report. Now next is content. First paragraph, there is a 4 paragraph in a report writing. That is, first paragraph is intro paragraph, introduction paragraph, intro paragraph. In this paragraph you have to mention the event, occasion, incident, means what, when, time, date, day, time, then where, place. This all the things we have already discussed in the format, that you have to write the date and place, that you have to write in the first paragraph. What is the event? Next, time, when it is happened, where it is happened, and why. So all these things can happen. We have to mention in the first paragraph. Now we will move to the second paragraph. In the second paragraph, describe the detail how this event happened. So this is right in second and third paragraph. The cause, consequences, effects, guest, means, steps taken, activities, peoples involved. That is all things right in the second paragraph. Now the first paragraph, you have only mentioned the when, where, when, what, when, where, or why. In the second paragraph, how. In the last paragraph, concluding paragraph, then you have to conclude all the sequences. Conclude para, redaction, promises by the author's statement of the people. That is the fourth paragraph. So student, that is the format how to write report. First paragraph you have to write the when, what is the event, when it is happened, where is it happened, and why. Second is how it is happened. Now the last paragraph, that second or third paragraph, you have to mention that there consequences, effects, guest, all these things. But in the last paragraph you have to write the conclusion. So that fourth paragraph is must in the report writing, and report writing should be written in a past form, not in a present and future form. Remember it, students. Now I will describe you the report writing with one example. St. Paul's School celebrated its golden jubilee with the dance drama Kundali at the Siri Fort Auditorium. You are asked by your teacher to write a report on the program for your school magazine. You are Kirti Sen. Write the report in 125 words. First you have to write the title. Now title is Golden Jubilee Celebration. Adds on. You can write only Golden Jubilee Celebration. Not need to write at St. Fort or St. Paul. Okay. Now the next is you have to write the writer name or reporter name. Now the writer and reporter name is Kirti Sen. You have to mention the name Kirti Sen and also mention the class. Now first paragraph is intro paragraph. Intro paragraph means you have to write when, where and what. St. Paul celebrated its Golden Jubilee on the 3rd October at the St. Now the event is shown. What is the event? Now the timing is mentioned on 3rd October at the Siri Ford Auditorium, Delhi. At time is also mentioned 6 p.m. onwards. In the first paragraph, that is intro paragraph. Okay, student, in which you have to mention the time, where and when. Now the second and third paragraph is paragraph brief. How, in consequences, event, celebration, all is described in the second or third paragraph. Now listen to the second paragraph. The main attraction of the day was a dance drama. Kundali, directed by the famous director Barry John. The main attraction of the day was a dance drama, Kundali, directed by the famous director Barry John. More than 100 students participated in the drama, which was deeply appreciated by the audience. That is called, you can read how. And the third paragraph is also on the base. And the last, you can say, conclusion. In this address to the gathering, Mr. Thomas, now 75 years old, expressed his gratitude towards the staff who was played an important role in the growth of the school. So that is the format to write the report. All things is in the past form. You can say it. Traced. From a young with the drama of setting up a school, trial, tribulation, lack of funds, he faced. The young Mr. ABC, the Honorable Minister of Education, was deeply. So all the things mentioned in the form of past. So you have to write the report according to the third person, not the first person. Okay, student, that is the format. If you have any inquiry related to the report writing, discuss in the class. Okay, students.